In this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and uninstall apps on Windows 10, it's relatively easy to do. As you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner to your search box, and you just want to go ahead and type settings. Then underneath Best Match, you should see settings. So just click onto that to open up the settings on your PC. And from here, what you want to do is find where it says apps. So you can see that's here, and then click onto apps. So what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. If you don't see a screen like this, come to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto apps and features. So now what you can do is go ahead and scroll through the list of apps and find the one that you want to uninstall. There is also a search box at the top, so alternatively you can use the search box if there's a app that you're looking to uninstall. So in today's example, we're going to go ahead and uninstall Audi Player. So what you want to do once you find the app is give it a click, and you're going to get a box come up saying uninstall. So now all you need to do is go ahead and click the uninstall button, and then it's going to come up saying this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So press the uninstall button. Now some of these apps, when you uninstall them, they automatically uninstall. However, some have their own built-in uninstallation program. As you can see for Audi Player, that is the case here. So it's come up with a pop-up saying thank you for using Audi Player. You are earnestly requested to fill in the reason for uninstalling it. So this is just something optional that they've added when you uninstall it. So what I'm going to do is just click uninstall, and as you can see, it's now going to start uninstalling from my PC. As you can see, we've now got a confirmation window saying uninstall complete, so we can click onto this, and as you can see, the app has now disappeared from the list. So that is how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.